Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm a makeup artist, YouTuber and content creator based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 of the best brow pencils if you have oily skin and you want your brows to stay on all day. Now if you want to see what products I have here, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. It only takes 1 second. Welcome back guys. So I have here 5 brow pencils and I think we already did a video like this a couple of years ago, but this is like an updated version. These are brow products that are really good for dark skin, are really good for oily skin, and are products I have used for years, and I can tell you without mincing words that they are the best brow pencils on the market. Now, what do I look out for in brow pencils? Why are they the best of the best? I mean, there are thousands of pencils out there, so why this? Why these 5? Well, there are certain things I look out for in brow pencils, like, you know, how I arrived at this one's right here. Number 1 is I'm dark skin. I don't have on microbladed brows. I have oily skin, and so I want a brow pencil that's long lasting and long wearing, that when I put it on my face in the morning and leave my house, until I get back in the evening, it's not moving, it's not budging. Like I said, I don't have a microbladed brow, so any brow product I use has to be able to last the whole day. So it has to be long wearing and long lasting. Another thing I look out for is how dark the pencil is. There are some products that are really good, but they don't have darker shades for, like, you know, deep melanated skin tone like moi. Okay, so I want a brow product that's going to be dark enough, not black. Like, the brown should be a rich brown. It should not be gray or ashy or none of that. Like, it has that beautiful brown tone that is going to be visible on my skin. That's another thing I look out for. I also look out for affordability. Like, it doesn't have to be the cheapest of the cheapest, but it has to be affordable. I cannot be buying a brow product for 10,000 naira. Who bought me? Eh? Am I don't think Bill Gates is the richest man again, but am I Bill Gates' child? 10,000 naira for one brow pencil? How? So I look out for affordability. At least the brow product is too expensive. It should be around 6,000-7,000. Anything more than that, please count me out. Those are not contestants for this category. Okay. So without mincing words, the very first product on our list today is this brow pencil right here. And if you're an OG in makeup, you should know this brow pencil. This is the Davis brow pencil, and this is one of the oldest pencils I've been using. Not this particular one, but like this brand, I have been, like, at a point Davis was like the only brow pencil that was out there. I mean with time they brought other brands, Air Woman, some other ones have been floating around, but you see Davis, if it's not Davis, it cannot be like Davis. Davis is the number 1. Now Davis has different shades. This one I have that I love using is in the shade 003. Now, if you're slightly lighter than me or you don't like really dark brows, you can go for the shade 018. But for me, I go for the shade 003. This Davis brow pencil is really good. It does come with a sharpener, so you can sharpen. It's not one of those twist-up pencils, definitely, but it's quite affordable, stays on all day, and the shade is just perfect for my skin tone. Right now, this Davis pencil is going for between 500 to 700 naira, depends on where you are based, where you're buying it from. Okay, so that is the first product on our list for today. The second product on our list for today is this one right here, and is silver in color, so you might not really be seeing it. I dare say that this is my favorite among all, or my second favorite among all the products I have here, or a close tie with the first one. I don't know, but I love this product so much. This is the Maybelline brow pencil, and it's in 01E1 is a MacBook Eyebrow Brown, and it's 01E1. I think, don't quote me on this, but I think that is the only brow pencil that MacBook has. It does have the product right here. It's one of those products you sharpen, and it has a brush here. Typically brushes would come in the spoolie like form, like you said, the spoolie right here, but this one comes with like a brush, like an actual brush. Just imagine like a toothbrush, but a mini one, which I find really, really beautiful for brushing up the brow hairs. It does a wonderful job. Like, man, very, very innovative. I love it. The shade is just perfect for my skin tone. This is the I think among the 5 pencils I have here, this one lasts the longest. Long lasting, check. Long wearing, check. Shade match, check. Affordability, check. This MacBook pencil is like the most expensive of all the pencils I have here. The most expensive, but it's not an expensive product. Depends on where you are based. This pencil goes for between 6,000 naira to 7,000 naira, depending on where you are based. The last one I bought it for 5,500 naira, and I got 2, and this is the only one remaining. So I just checked online before I started filming this video, and different vendors had different prices, but between 6,000 to 7,000 naira you would find this brow pencil. Yes, you might look at me like, oh, 7,000 naira is not cheap. There are products out there that are, for what this pencil does, 7,000 naira is not too bad. The other products here, the Davis one we just spoke about just now, was like between 500 to 700 naira. So you must not get this, but if you have the funds to spare, you can get this MacBook one. It is really, really good. I don't joke with it, but because of the price, I don't reach for it as often as I should. That's the second brow product on our list today. The third brow product on our list today is I think this is number 5 on the list. I like it, but not as much as I like some of the other ones here. This is the Polar Beauty Brow Perfect pencil, and it's in the shade 001 brown. I can't remember if this pencil came with a spoolie. I'm trying to remember if it came with a spoolie, because I think that's one reason why I have not been reaching for it as often as I should. There was a time I attended one fair and I got about 4 or 5 of this, and this is the only one remaining. So of course it's a pointer to the fact that I definitely enjoyed it at some point. But because it doesn't come with a spoolie, I don't know. This Davis one doesn't come with a spoolie, but it does have a sharpener. So one of 2 steps removed, because it's one of those pencils they sharpen too. But this one, I think it came with a spoolie and the spoolie fell off or something. I don't really know. I can't remember. The pencil is good. It's long wearing, check. Long lasting, check. It stays on all day, so I love it. Did I say that before? The Polar Beauty Brow Perfect eyebrow pencil in 001 brown. I think I already said that. The shade match is perfect. Like, I'm tempted to swatch on the back of my hand. The shade match is just perfect. This is the shade of brown. I love my brow pencils to come in. It's not too soft. None of these pencils here are so soft that they start to melt. Like, it just had enough to be able to give the definition I want. And the price is, I saw a lot of vendors with different prices, but tentatively between 3,500 and 5,000 naira, between 3,000 and 4,500 naira, you should be able to get this brow pencil, depending on the vendor you are getting it from. I even saw one vendor that had it pegged at 2,500. I don't know if it's an old stock, but tentatively just between 3,500 to 5,000 naira, you should be able to get this. And I just learned now that they have the twist up brow pencil. So if I come across Polar Beauty, this one, like, on the list, it might be number 5, but it's a very, very good product. I love it. Just because the other ones here, I think I prefer more, but it's a very, very good product. If you have it around you, you can purchase this. Another thing is, because it's not readily as available to me, That's another reason why I'm like, okay, this has like the number five spot. But Polar Beauty is a very, very good brand. I have their sharpener, I have used their pencil, I have their lip pencil as well. Really, really good. What have I tried from Polar Beauty again? I can't remember, but I have a couple of their products I have tried, and everything I have tried from Polar Beauty has been like good, really, really good. So this is the third pencil on our list today. The fourth pencil on our list today is this one right here, and this pencil is no stranger to this channel, guys. Is no stranger to this channel, and this is the Didi Beauty Browgasm Eyebrows Perfect Brown Pencil. Now, this is one of those twist up pencils. You twist up and you use, just like the Anastasia Beverly Hill Benefit Brow Pencil. There are so many brands that have this kind of pencil. The trick is you have to twist it up just a little bit of the product, otherwise it breaks and it leads to wastage. It has a spoolie on this other part, and I followed Didi Beauty on Instagram, so I saw that they have now come out with a new branded version of this brow pencil. It has white and now has a refillable part attached, so when you get done with the product, you can, you know, refill it with an extra that is attached. I think that when I checked on the website, it was going for 8,000 naira, but then it's almost like you're getting two products. But typically this one fluctuates, it goes between 4,000 to 5,000 naira. Really, really good. The only reason, like, there was a time for 24 months straight, 2 years straight, this was the only product I was using. The only reason why I came down a bit on this product is because of the price, like 5,000 naira. And I'm someone who does makeup every single day, so you can see that that adds up a lot. So I just had to start simmering down, and then I discovered another product which is like my favorite right now that I've been using, and you know, it's a bit more affordable. So Didi Beauty Brow Pencil, I've done several makeup tutorials on this channel with this brow product. Like, once it's time for my eyebrow, without even asking, everybody should already know that it was Didi Beauty. Sometimes I mix with the final product on our list. Sometimes I just use it alone. I love it. It stays on all day. The shade is not as dark as I would typically want. Like, you can build it up, but you can see it like compared to the other shade right here, it's just a little bit lighter. I can build it up to get the actual shade I want. I wish it was just a tad bit darker, but I still use it, and then I can go with a darker pencil for the tail part of my brow, or maybe even black. Typically I don't use black, but just to deepen the tail part a bit, and use this for other parts of the brow. Didi Beauty Brow Pencil, like I said, goes for between 4,000 to 5,000 naira. It stays on all day. Really, really beautiful, and the color match is good. I would prefer it's a little bit darker, but it is good. And when I build it up, like on days when I want like really natural brows, and you know, I just don't want the brows to be too dark, this is my go-to. And then even when I want it to be darker, I can layer it and, you know, apply it a bit harder, and it shows up dark enough for me. So by the time you highlight, clean up your brows and all of that good stuff, you know, the brow just gets to stand out on its own. So that's the fourth product on our list today. And the fifth and final product on our list today is this product right here. I discovered this product this year and I have been in love. Now, what product is this? This is the classic eyebrow pencil in what? In 03 coffee. Guys, this is my new baby. This is my new love. I cannot count the number of these brow pencils I have gotten on percent. I've gotten over 2 dozen, like over 24. I have them scattered everywhere. Like, this is the same pencil I have right here now. I bought 2 a couple of days ago, 2 additional ones. Like, I go through this pencil so much because I use it every single day. I have about where are they now? Shoo. I had about 4 or 5 here. This is just 3. Where are they? Oh, I can't find the other ones. But they were here. Oh. It was here just now. I don't know where it disappeared to. I had about 5. Like, I have so many. I have like 7 or 8 of these back up. Like, I reach for this. I love this pencil so much. Eh? I don't know what classic used to cook this soup, but the soup is very sweet. Like I said, this is a classic eyebrow pencil in O3 coffee. It's one of those pencils you sharpen. But I have several videos where I talked about best sharpeners for your brow and lip pencils. I talked about the Zaron sharpeners, talked about the Didi Beauty sharpeners, talked about the Polar Beauty sharpeners, and some other, you know, good products. So you can see how this pencil has been sharpened to a point. Like every so often, I just take my sharpeners and I just sharpen my products round, and because I have several of them, the one I use today is not as sharp as this because I use it to draw my brows. This brow pencil, you can see I'm almost like I'm going low on this because this is the brow pencil I use every single day. I cannot rave enough about this classic brow pencil, and I'm certain somehow that this is going to be one of the products in our best of beauty products for this year because, man, classic, you did it with this. Like, I give you all the accolades for this one. It doesn't stay on as long as the other products I mentioned, but it doesn't clean off, it doesn't fade. Like, it's not something that I apply on my eyebrow and at the end of the day my eyebrow is cleaned off, or like it's not visible anymore. This is one of those brow products that is like my favorite right now, so you should know that there's no comma with it. What I'm trying to say is, like, when I apply it in the morning, it's really dark, really obvious, and then as the day wears on, it just, you know, the darkness just reduces a little bit, but it's still very bold, very visible, very obvious. It doesn't fade off. Like, you are still seeing the brows, it just becomes softer, if I would say so. This product costs between 1,000 naira to 1,800, depends on the vendor. I've bought from some vendors for 1,000. I've bought some from some vendors for 1,300. I've bought for some vendors for 1,500. And I recently two I got at a supermarket for 1,700. So it depends on where you are getting it from, between 1,000 to 1,800 naira. But whenever I have to get from this vendor, I go for 1,000 naira because it's vendor based outside Asaba, and I have to order other products. I like to get it in bulk, like get like 8, 10 if possible. Stays on all day, like I said. Stays on all day. Might just, you know, become soft, a little bit softer, but it stays on all day. The shade is really beautiful. This one of the MacBook ones that competing. It's like one of the darkest brown. Can you just see? And it has this. It doesn't really have this grayish undertone. It has almost like a, I feel like a really reddish undertone, but I mean, it has a unique undertone to it. Can you see how beautiful that is? Like, it doesn't look black. This one's, can you see? It's just rich. It's just that has that good brown tone to it. I love the shade. Stays on all day and very affordable. For 1,000 naira, 1,500, 1,300, 1,700, even 1,800 is still very affordable. And this is like my favorite brow pencil right now. I love it to bits. And I think that is the last of the products we have on our list for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you for staying tuned till the end. And until I come your way again, remain blessed. Bye, guys.